Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-1 fiancé visas. Just a little update here, I think it's worth noting. I gotta say, on the K-1 front, once we're getting cases out of USCIS, so once we're getting cases out of the Department of Homeland Security, and then it's moving over to the Department of State, I gotta say consular processing is moving pretty efficiently these days. And so credit where credit is due, the folks that undertake that work at the consulate are moving things along quite a brisk little clip. Quite honestly, it took me a little bit by surprise the last few weeks just how quickly they've been moving things along, getting interviews set up, and then dealing with the interview, getting the visas issued after interview, or if a 221G is issued, further documentation is in order. You know, it's been pretty efficient getting that stuff sorted out. So I do have to say there does seem to be a little bit of a bright spot in an otherwise kind of dreary situation with regard to U.S. immigration, in that once the cases are getting over here to the embassy, they are moving through again in an efficient manner. So that's good news, quite honestly, especially after the past few years of, I mean, there was sort of it wasn't a calendar year, but it was like a year period from like the late summer of 20 going into 21, where it seemed like a whole year where if things were moving, it was at such a glacial pace that you wouldn't hardly even know they were moving in terms of, you know, the things going through the National Visa Center, getting over here, and then it didn't move particularly fast because there were all kinds of regulations or emergency diktat, if you will, that were basically slowing down the overall process. So thing to take away from this video, bright spot with regard to the fiancé visa, once it's over here on this side of the process, things are moving along. That said, the first phase of the process isn't quite as fast as I would otherwise like.